Our body systems. Time to warm up. Our body is truly wonderful. It is like a machine. We can compare our hands to pilers which pick up things and put them down. The brain is like a computer which can do many things. Time to know. Our body structures are arranged into several different systems, each with its own specific function. The smallest units in the body are cells, which share certain characteristics. These tiny structures are collected into tissues, which are themselves arranged into organs. Different body systems consist of collections of cells, tissues, and organs with a common purpose. Muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system, excretory system, integumentary system, endocrine system, muscular system. The muscular system consists of layers of muscles that cover the bones of the skeleton, extend across joints, and can contract and relax to produce movement. The muscular system is responsible for the movement of the human body. There are over 650 muscles in the human body. They are under our skin and cover our bones. Muscles often work together to help us move. The muscular system is composed of the smooth, skeletal, and the cardiac muscle. The functions of this system include aiding in body movement, flexibility, pumping of the blood, digestion, brain activity, breathing movement, as well as bone and cell compactness. Functions of muscular system. Body movement due to the contraction of skeletal muscles. Maintenance of posture also due to skeletal muscles. Respiration due to movements of the muscles of the thorax. Fact finder. The human body has enough iron in it to make 3 inches long nail. Digestive system. The digestive system takes in the food the body needs to fuel its activities. It breaks the food down into units called nutrients and absorbs the nutrients into the blood. Food passes through a long tube inside the body known as the alimentary canal or the gastrointestinal tract, GI tract. The alimentary canal is made up of the oral cavity, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestines. Fact finder. Digestive system requires the cooperation of a number of different organs throughout the body, including the mouth, stomach, intestines, liver, and gallbladder. Functions of digestive system. The function of the digestive system is digestion and absorption. Digestion is the breakdown of food into small molecules, which are then absorbed into the body. The digestive system is divided into 2 major parts. The digestive tract, alimentary canal, is a continuous tube with 2 openings, the mouth and the anus. It includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. Food passing through the internal cavity or lumen of the digestive tract does not technically enter the body until it is absorbed through the walls of the digestive tract and passes into blood or lymphatic vessels. Accessory organs include the teeth and tongue, salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Chewing. Chewing is the first stage of the digestive system. When you chew your food, it breaks up big pieces into little pieces that are easier to digest and swallow. Swallowing. Swallowing may seem like a simple process to us. It just sort of happens. But food doesn't just follow down our throats into our stomach. First, our tongue helps to push food into the back of our throat. Then there are special throat muscles that force the food down into a long tube that leads to our stomach called the esophagus. The food doesn't just fall down the pipe. Muscles push the food along until it gets to our stomach. Stomach. The next stage is the stomach. Food hangs out in stomach for around 4 hours. While the food sits there, more enzymes go to work on it, breaking down things like proteins that our body can use. Stomach kills a lot of bad bacteria as well, so we don't get sick. Small intestine. The first part of the small intestine works with juices from the liver and pancreas to continue to break down our food. The second part is where the food gets absorbed from the intestine and into our body through the blood. Large intestine. The last stage is the large intestine. Any food that the body doesn't need or can't use is sent to the large intestine and later leaves the body as waste. Respiratory system. The respiratory system is a group of tissues and organs in your body that enable you to breathe. This system includes your airways, your lungs and blood vessels and muscles attached to them that work together so you can breathe. The respiratory system's primary function is to supply oxygen to all the parts of your body. It accomplishes this through breathing, inhaling oxygen-rich air and exhaling air filled with carbon dioxide, which is a waste gas. Functions of the respiratory system. The function of the human respiratory system is to transport air into the lungs and to facilitate the diffusion of oxygen into the bloodstream. It also receives waste carbon dioxide from the blood and exhales it. Inhalation, exhalation. Activity to know about breathing action. Take off your shirt. Now put your hand on your chest and breathe in deeply. What do you feel? Do not withdraw your hand and breathe out completely. Breathe in, breathe out. What do you feel now? You will feel that chest expands when we breathe in and contracts when we breathe out. Now, do some exercises like running in school ground. What do you feel? You will notice that breathing becomes faster. Circulatory system. The circulatory system is made up of the heart, blood, and blood vessels known as arteries, capillaries, and veins. The heart pumps blood throughout your body through the blood vessels. Blood delivers oxygen and nutrients to cells and carries away carbon dioxide and other waste materials. The circulatory system consists of 4 major components. The heart. About the size of two adult hands held together, the heart sits near the center of the chest. Thanks to consistent pumping, the heart keeps the circulatory system working at all times. Time to recall. Muscles are there under our skin. There are about 600 muscles in our body. Bones and muscles become strong when we exercise regularly. The smallest units in the body are cells. The heart pumps blood throughout your body through the blood vessels. The main function of endocrine glands is to secrete hormones directly into the bloodstream. The integumentary system consists of the skin, hair, nails, glands, and nerves. Blood enters the kidneys through renal arteries and leaves to the renal veins. Chewing is the first stage of the digestive system. The nervous system has two major parts, the central nervous system, CNS, and the peripheral nervous system, PNS. For formative and summative assessment, time to answer. Answer the following questions. What is the function of heart? Name the organs that take part in digestion. What are the functions of muscular system? What are the functions of brain and spinal cord? How many bones are there in our body? What are the functions of skeletal system? What are integumentary system and its functions? Oral questions for FA. Fill up the following blanks using the clue kit. The system is responsible for the movement of the human body. There are over muscles in the human body. Food passes through a long tube inside the body known as the carry deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Humans are born with 300 to 350 bones. Are bean-shaped organs located on either side of the backbone. Clue kit. Kidneys, infants, veins, alimentary, canal, 650, muscular. Hot questions. Write yes or no to the following statements. An adult human body has over 500 bones. The skull has 27 bones. Arteries carry blood rich in oxygen away from the heart. Food passing through the internal cavity. Our bones are a storehouse for fat. Body movement due to the contraction of bone muscles. The function of the digestive system is digestion and absorption. Information skills. Write any two functions of the following body systems. Body systems, functions. Muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system, excretory system, integumentary system, endocrine system. Write the name of the right part against body system. Body systems, parts. Muscular system, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, nervous system, skeletal system, excretory system, integumentary system, endocrine system. Communication. Draw a line to each word to the correct part of the body. Information skills. Find the hidden body parts. Body word search. Search for the words. They are hidden left to right and down. Body, ear, eye, hand, head, legs, mouth, nose. For formative assessment, time to do project work. Color the picture with help of given instructions. Parts of body. Try to lift your school bag with your hands and observe the movement of muscles of arms. Write your observation. Life skills. Take time for exercise. Make sleeping as a priority. Eat well and savor it. Listen to pain. Slow down.